So we have the basic elements of a Flappy Bird game. You know how to make your bird fly. You know how to make it flap by changing the costumes. You know how to generate columns and move them across the screen. You know how to keep a score and how to change and end the game if someone touches the column to show an in-game screen or a you lose message. So some things that you might want to improve. You could improve the flight of your bird. So maybe your bird goes up too high or doesn't drop far enough. Maybe your bird is too big or too small. You could change the size of it. Maybe you could change this sprite here and you could go and add more columns into this. So there are different things for your bird to avoid. Maybe you could even add in a whole new sprite and have different columns coming across your screen at different times. So on this one, I might have some columns here, and these columns might go across the screen 5 seconds after this lot of columns here. So you can change the number of columns that you have on your screen. You could change the backdrops. So we could go onto the stage setting, go to backdrop 1, and you could just put a color into your backdrop there and use, a nice sky blue, or you could draw some clouds into your backdrop there. So I might put a big rectangle across here. So now when I go to this screen here, it's a nice blue one here. You might decide that you want your lose screen to have a color on it. You could even choose one of the preset screens that are here. You could be flying in front of a hill or using one of these screens here for your game as well too. So lots of different options to change there. You might change the way that you score. Maybe you change and you score 1 point every half a second or every 2 seconds, completely up to you. So have a go at improving your game, making it better, and then you can share it with someone else.